Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, as you guys can see, I finally got my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March. I was gonna say Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but it's just the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March. For those of you that don't know about this bag here, this is a monthly subscription. It is $12 a month. It used to be 10, but now it is 12. You get deluxe size products in here. Occasionally, we do get the random full size, which is always awesome because, you know, it just adds more value to your bag. And by the looks of it, we got a full size product in here. So with each bag, with each subscription bag, you also get a cosmetic bag, and this is the one for this month. I think this is super duper cute. So it is kind of like a tealish kind of color. It has silver studs, and back here it says 100. That sounds weird. It sounds wrong, but they have the number 100 bag. Ipsy Glam bag. So I guess this is their 100th either month or, you know, something having to do with 100. We did get two items outside of the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys the first one here. It is a Luxie brush. Luxie has really good brushes, and so we have this one here. It just says Precision Tapered Brush 640. They're really soft, and their brushes I think are really good quality, and obviously this is to be considered a full size. Another thing that we got in here, it is a full size as well, which I'm super excited. And we have something from Ofra. We have the bronzer, and I'm assuming the shade is Americano. That is it there. Let me show you guys a close-up. It does have, it does look like it has a little bit of a metallicness to it, like some like shimmeriness. No, it's not completely matte. It does have like a satin kind of finish. It's really light. You guys are probably not going to be able to tell, but I swatched it here in the center. It is light. I don't want to grab too much, but it is a really pretty color. It will give you like that satin finish though. I'm going to go into the bag itself. We have our little card with our, yes, the product information. And then I'm going to go in. We have 4 things in here still. I'm going to grab this one here. It is from Tatcha, and it is the water cream. I've actually used this cream once before, which was another deluxe size sample that I got in one of my other bags. And I really like it because it is lightweight and it just feels really good on the skin. So I'm super excited we have this one. Next, I'm going to grab this one here. It looks like a chapstick it is from Hanalei Kukui Lip Balm in Island Mint. I'm assuming that is the name. So that is what it looks like, and it's just a regular chapstick. So that is our 4th item. Up next, I'm gonna grab this one. It is from Shayna B, and that is it there. Back here, it says Highlight / Illuminator in Guava Glow. That is what I'm looking at. Oh, that's pretty. So we don't have a mirror here, but that is the color of the highlighter itself. It is more on the like the pinky rosiness kind of color. It's also a really light color, so you're not going to be able to see it much on my skin. But I put it down here. Probably can't see it. It's really pretty though. It's not super like blinding. It does give you like a nice goldeny pinkish shift though. And then we have our very last item, which is this little tiny one here. And of course, I see it is from Wonder Beauty. No surprise there. So what we have here, it is a single eyeshadow in the shade Bouquet from Wonder Beauty. So that is our little packaging here. It's super cute and little. But let's see what shade we have. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's an eyeshadow. So there's obviously no mirror here, but that is the color. Look at that. This almost, you can use this as a highlighter as well. That is the color there. And let's see, put it there. That is really pretty. I mean, obviously both as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter. It's really, really pretty. So that one there was the last item from the bag. So really quick, let me show you guys. Oh, according to our paper here, this Ofra bronzer is a deluxe sample. I would consider this a full size, but according to this here, wait, no. So so on here what I'm reading, so it says deluxe sample, and then it says right next to that, it says the MSRP of the full size version of this product, and then parentheses 10 grams is $35. But I'm looking at the back of this one here, and this one says that it's 10 grams. I do not think this is a sample. So the full size of this one is $35, which I think we have here. And then the other full size product that we have is this one here, which is the brush. MSRP for this one is $24. So in both of those alone, we have $59 worth of products. And then of course this chapstick here is also a full size, and the MSRP is $6. So in total, in just those three products alone, we have a total of, what did I say, $65. For $12 that I paid, we get 3 full size items, and even these 3 deluxe size items that we got, I think are actually a really good size. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below of this bag. I want to dare and say this has maybe been the best bag yet, but let me know what you guys think down below. I know there's a lot of different variations of this bag. Let me know what you guys got. I look at the comments all the time, so please let me know what you guys think down there. So those are all the items from this bag for this month. I will be back really soon with another video, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.